So in today's video, we're going to be talking about nouns and ways to kind of organize our thoughts about them. So and this is going to go along with stage 3 of the red book. All right, so we're going to be pulling some examples from page 41. So up until now, we've just kind of been throwing nouns at you guys, and you've just seen a lot of different nouns. You know, we have Metella, we have Caecilius, Mercator, Canis, Vinoculus, you know, all the Servus, Ancilla, a lot of different nouns have been thrown at you guys. And it might start to seem overwhelming, and it shouldn't. Latin has done this wonderful thing for us, I know, because they thought about English speakers thousands of years in the future. And they organized their nouns into groups, all right? And these groups, we can think of them as families, all right? And they're all based on the endings. So it's not based on their meanings or their function, but it's based on the endings that they share, all right? And so these families, we call them declensions. All right, they're called declensions. You can think of them, they're just like families. And Latin has 5 of them, all right? So that's 5 declensions. We, for Latin 1, only need to worry about 3 of them, all right? So we only are worrying about 3 of them right now. And so let's take a look at some of these declensions. So you'll see words like this. So we have words like this: Metella, Metellon, Ancilla, Ancillon, Taberna, Tabernum, Willa, Willa, and there's a bunch more of that. And so remember, the stem is staying the same with these, and we have a nominative and an accusative form. That's why we have all of them up there. And you'll notice the pattern is all of these have an A or an AM. Right? And so this group is based on these A's and AMs, all right, and they're called the first declension, all right? So these are all first declension nouns. All right? So let's go on and figure out what makes up the second declension. So we'll leave Metella as our example. So second declension, we got words like so we have Caecilius, Caecilium, Servus, Servum, Amicus, Amicum. Right? And so those nouns all share that us, ending. Right? And that's the sign of the second declension. So first declension, we have a and am. Second declension, us and So Caecilius can be our example here. Now we have what's the other one? Oh, senex. All right, so we got pater, patrem, canis, canem, Leo, leonem, senex, senem. All right, so these words are words that make up the third declension. And it's more challenging the third declension because they have various ones for the nominative, all right? But they all share the EM, and that's what makes them third declension, is this common EM ending, all right? So all third declensions will have that EM. All right, so these are the three noun families that we know right now. So we have the ones that are the first declension, we have the ones that are second declension, and the ones that are varied and EM, and that's our third declension. If you have questions or you're not sure of a declension of a noun, feel free to write in the comments, email me, or ask them in class, all right? But thanks for watching.